The future of data journalism. The communication revolution has brought about dramatic changes in the field of journalism. The growing archive of digital information has become a warehouse of data from where the modern journalist grapples with the data. He inspects the data to identify themes and looks for patterns in pursuit of the hidden story. It is the responsibility of the reporter to acquire and grasp the skills to clean the data. Today, the reporters are adept at extracting data, cleaning it, organizing it, analyzing and interpreting it to tell powerful data driven stories. They have to discover the stories lying beneath the large network of data. Making best use of the resources and integrating them into a larger framework is the essential toolkit of reporters. While negotiating with data, the journalist must realize that he has to present the incomprehensible and complicated and complex data into easy, understandable stories for his readers. To be able to navigate through the data requires patience and through thorough knowledge of the field and its glossary. This new approach to storytelling has transformed traditional journalism and requires that the reporter to turn data into stories. Also, while trying to make stories personal, the reporter can use interactive online media platforms to make readers stay with the story. For example, while mapping the number of road accidents, the data journalist can provide a special report on every death on the road and facilitate the users to find the location of all the road fatalities. One can team up with ambulance services and hospital authorities to give a more dynamic, humane and a personal feel to its readers. The use of simple tools is the best available option while exploring large data sets. Readers are not interested in lengthy analysis. One has to create an appealing interface with the use of familiar tools to reveal an unknown story. So, he must start with a question, which means he must hone his skills enough to interrogate the data and then share links on familiar platforms like Facebook or Twitter that makes his task easy. This can help the readers to relate to the story and understand complex issues. When the reporter gives the opportunity to his audience by designing an interactive story, he has achieved his goal. On the other hand, at the time when there are very few and insignificant credible and reliable sources of information, it becomes additionally important for data journalists to lend their voice to the voiceless. Most data journalists have also turned into investigative journalists while unveiling stories from data. When the reporter gives the opportunity to his audience by designing an interactive story, he has achieved his goal. The role of the data journalist has assumed significance as they challenge the powerful and hold them to account. Data journalism has redefined the future of this skill-based profession, which is rising progressively. To summarize the lecture, here are a few important aspects of data journalism, which include: 1. The term data is incomprehensibly large, with numbers spilling over in the online digital information space. Talking about data journalism is all about telling a data driven story. The stories that we read daily have been scooped out of massive data heaps that have been pouring unlimitedly into newsrooms. The concept of data journalism gathered pace with breaking stories from a mass of data. The speed and the momentum with which such stories are being done are unimaginable. The tool is data journalism. This weapon is used by the journalist to sift through volumes of digital information and play the role of a watchdog over those in authority. 2. Today, most newsrooms recognize data journalists as those who have the expertise, ability and the capability of digging a story from a large network of data driven information. The modern journalist has to deal with a large collection of unstructured data to find the hidden story. He has to employ various online tools to identify themes and patterns within the cluttered data and present a story that is easily understandable. He makes use of maps, charts, graphs and other online tools to present the numerical data with visualizations. The challenge remains to keep the story factual and accurate and not to be scared of numbers. 3. Data journalism has challenged the tradition journalistic norms and is an ever-growing phenomena adopted in newsrooms today. The pace at which this practice is being applied in newsrooms to present their data-driven stories is a spectacle that will challenge the traditional journalist. Instead of being physically present on the scene to report the story, the data journalist has to focus on how news unfolds today. The dramatic changes in the online digital information environment over the last decade provides opportunities to journalists to negotiate with data and sew a power-packed story. These stories are reliable, backed with facts and visualization that make an interesting read. 4. Essentially, a data journalist needs to clean up, organize, analyze and interpret data to map the story. He must enable and facilitate the reader to understand the story. The interplay between methodology and technology with sources continues to expand. The data journalist can also make stories personalized for the readers. He should be able to use the available online tools judiciously to present a complex issue in a lucid style. Large media houses like the New York Times, the Guardian, the Associated Press have intelligently mastered the skill and have achieved tremendous success. 5. The pioneers and experts of data journalism agree that newspapers are at the core of their very best practices in this field. Data visualization is a way to tell a story in seconds. They tend to explain stories to their audiences in an easily digestible manner. There is a steady rise of data journalism practices all around the globe. The size of the digital universe has grown by a factor of 33 in a single year, as stated by the creative agency Fractal. The constant monitoring of an individual's online information consumption by digital giants like Google has facilitated data journalists to tailor make and customize stories that suits the audience tastes. To conclude, I would like to highlight that data journalism is going to grow bigger and better. Every individual is enthusiastic to know about his health status data, his electricity bill consumption patterns, analyzing election predictions, local accident fatalities, weather conditions, etc. And there is a huge market for this sort of content. People will always be hungry for data-driven visualizations and content. A story that evokes emotional response backed with research-based facts is a success story. Data journalism will be the future of journalism. Thank you all for giving a patient hearing to this lecture. I hope we are at the same page after this interaction. Goodbye for now and hope to connect with you soon.